Hello everyone, how are you all? I am doing great. Today I am going to make simple idli sambar which can be eaten with dosa as well. This is my complete hometown speciality. So this sambar is made with freshly ground spices. So this is very aromatic unlike the normal sambar. So let's start making the powder first. Here I am taking some spices, 10 red chilies, out of which 4 are Badgi variety which gives a bright red color to the powder, and 6 normal Guntur chilies. Then some coriander seeds, chana dal, jeera and pepper. Here I am going to dry roast the coriander seeds first. Dry roasting for few minutes. Once it turns aromatic, you can add jeera and pepper. I will give all the details in the description box as well with the exact measurement. So roast it, you will get a nice aroma. So after this you can add the red chilies. I prefer to add red chilies this way so that I don't sneeze. So keep roasting until the red chilies turns little crisp. Now you can keep that separate, and I am roasting the chana dal now. Keep the flame low and roast till it turns golden brown. It takes some time. Now it is turned little golden. Keep everything separately. Now it is completely cooled down. You can grind it to a little coarse powder, not so fine. So before grinding, make sure the spices are cooled down. Here the powder is ready. You can store it in a airtight container and use whenever you can. So here I am pressure cooking some dal. I took 1/4 cup of tur dal completely washed and adding some water here, 1 tomato and 4 cloves of garlic. Going to pressure cook this for 5 to 6 whistles. Now the dal is completely cooked and I'm using a spoon to completely mashing this. It's completely mashed now. Let's start making the sambar. So to a kadai adding 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, jeera, asafoetida, 1 broken red chili. Let everything splutter. Now everything spluttered. Now you can add curry leaves and 1 large onion. The onion need to be sliced. Here by mistake I finely chopped it. So fry the onions till it turns golden brown. Now it turned golden. Now we can add the mashed dal. Adjust the water consistency. Bring it to boil. So once it start to boil, you can add the salt and ground powder. I used 2 tablespoons of sambar powder. Just 2 tablespoons is enough for 1/4 cup of tur dal. Let it come to a boil, nice boil. Boil for like 5 to 7 minutes, not more than that, because the spices are already roasted, so we don't need to boil for more time. So scrape the sides. It's completely aromatic now. So you can finish it off with some coriander leaves and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Adding ghee to the sambar at the end, which gives a very nice flavor, so don't skip this. So this sambar doesn't need any tamarind pulp. If you really want, you can add some tamarind pulp, but we prefer without tamarind. Traditionally tamarind pulp won't be added in this sambar. See how nicely it came. I feel you could feel the smell of the sambar because it's so aromatic. That's it, sambar is done. Now take some idlis, pour the sambar. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. You can send the pics to me in my Insta handle. I will be happy to see all those pictures.